Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is a monthly reading for the month of April. Please remember this is a general reading and it might not resonate with everyone. Also, this month is very important because we have a full moon on the 28th of March, and this full moon is basically about relationships, about all our emotions. It could be love, it could be relatives, it could be family or work or friends, but all the emotions will come to surface. It will deepen your bond. Some might break, some might deepen, but mostly a good full moon. So let's see how the month goes for you. I'm not going to take any reverses, even if they are, because I want to focus on positive this week and I want to tell you how you go forward. If you like what I do, please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Let's go. Like I told you, forward moment. Okay, the two cards I usually was looking at three, but I'll take four for you. So, King of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. So, Gemini, you're definitely focused on money. There's a forward movement when it comes to career, money. But there is somebody who's being very, very stuck, very how do I call it? I don't want to call out. Maybe it's you being very uptight, being very very bossy, very not being expressive, very fiery sign, anger issues. Let me clarify the King of Wands. So these two energies of stability and fire are together. Let's see what the King of Wands here is all about. So yeah, so I think like I told you, this arrogance has to go. I know somebody has been really working hard, putting in the work, isn't expressing much, being very quiet, very stubborn, let's say, not uptight, but stubborn about something because they feel they have burned the midnight oil, they have worked hard in their life. I think this being too right need to come down for something good to take place. Let me also clarify the tower for you. What is the tower all about? The Empress, the King of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. So, Gemini, you're dealing with two people here, and somebody, one of them, you will have to cut communication. I feel these two are the same energies. The King of Swords and the King of Wands. It's the same energy. Because this person is being uptight, he or she will cut the communication. You are the Empress, and you are the Queen of Pentacles. You are no less. It could be a feminine or masculine. You are no less, right? You also have worked hard. You have also reached. You are also a respectable person. You have a certain respectability about you. Whereas this person, they I don't think they match you. They still have that immaturity. They still have that unstable nature. Though they think they are too good, but I feel that's the thing. It could be a boss. It could be a relationship, a partner, a family member. We'll know when we read out the theme of the month for you. Let me clarify the temperance for you. Who is the temperance here? So, like I said, I won't take it to reverse. Lover, Judgment, and so Gemini, this is your own card, and the Fool. So, see, if you look at it, there was love with this person, you know, but I think they were being in and out. They were being a very very shaky energy. Not being able to decide because they always felt they were right because probably they're in a better position than you, or it could be you. You decide for yourself. But I feel the judgment needs to happen. That with the Tower and the Judgment card, this whole facade this whole drama needs to be cut down, I feel. Let me see if it's the work situation for you or it's a personal situation for you with the theme of the month. Lord, give me the theme of the month for Gemini. Let me see the theme of the month for Gemini. Emperor. So theme of the month for you is stability. Gemini, let me take two more cards, I guess. The Emperor and the Empress. So, and the Hangman. So see, somebody got you stuck and you deserve somebody who's your equal. You know, if you see the Emperor and the Empress, Gemini, you deserve somebody who's your equal, who treats you like an equal, who behaves like an equal, you know, who's not got that airy energy about them, who, you know, doesn't leave you hanging. You could, you know, this Hangman is also, it is a good card, I feel, because, you know, the Hangman says that somebody has really thought about something, taken time, not moved ahead, you know, not taken a very quick decision. They have given it a thought, and that's how they have reached where they have. So this is what I feel is the theme of the month. I think you will meet your match, and this because before that, probably the first week or the first 2 weeks will clear out the this all this drama for you. Let me see what the love theme universe says, what the messages are from the universe for the theme. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. I would really appreciate it. Support this channel in any way that you can. So Gemini, universe wants to tell you all this. Universe says love is never in vain. So Gemini, if you feel that you love this person, you know, it was all in vain because this person turned out to be such a person, but universe says it was never in, love is never in vain. When in doubt, give, let them have it. Surrender, make peace. When there is no doubt, give, let them have it, surrender, make peace. So, P.S. There is no doubt who is the number one in my book. So, universe says, I see you giving. You keep giving. Don't change yourself because another person has turned out to be such. When in doubt, give. When not in doubt, give. Just keep giving love. Earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff coming your way. Oh my God, Gemini. Look what I told you. If this thing is ending, it was a rehearsal for the Emperor and Empress to meet, right? So just take it as a rehearsal. Never regret love. Again, the same thing. Never regret love, no matter how blind, it has improved your vision, right? It has improved your vision. No matter how foolish, it made you wiser, and no matter how generous, it made you more. So I think you know what the whole theme is all about. I think our reading is going in the right direction. See me in their eyes. So the person that you'll meet, whenever conferring in another, either face to face or across the mile, whether a human being, departed spirit, or sentient tree, always speak to the highest within them. It makes such a difference. So, you know, we'll see. Let me get more cards and see how you will meet this new person. How will you meet this new person? So I think you should surrender. Surrender has come twice. You should just surrender. If you feel there is somebody around you, I feel it's a workplace or something professional. Maybe you are the client or they are the client. Maybe you met during a gymming or probably a supermarket or something. But somewhere not a very it's a very worky sort of a place where you need to surrender and know where your heart guides you. I feel uh, this is what it says. Let us see. Let us see now how can you handle this situation. So your rehearsal is ending, Gemini, and the new person is coming your way. Be happy, silent. So they say that if even if you're hurt, even if somebody hurt you, I think just be silent. Just trust the universe, trust the process. Trust that this rehearsal will take you to the aisle, to the main movie of your life, and you know the meeting the main person. So I think just surrender, be silent. It says, I surrender to the power greater than me. I always trust the direction of the universe. When I think I surrender more. and silent. So I think the universe wants you to just stay silent and trust the process. This is all I have for you. We'll meet next week. I hope you like my reading. Sorry, we'll meet next month. I hope you like my reading. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.